$10,000, $20,000, $100,000, and even $1 million. If you stumbled upon this video right here, please listen to me. Meme coins. Meme coins is the new gold rush right now. And I can guarantee you there's no other opportunity in the whole world where you can make the kind of money I just mentioned quickly than with meme coins. No matter where you are, it doesn't matter what part of the country you live in. If you live in India, if you live in America, if you live in Mexico, whatever it is, Germany, whatever it is, you could make money straight from your laptop, from your phone if you follow this method that I'm going to teach you step by step in this video. Are you ready? I hope so, because you're going to want to pay close attention to everything I'm about to tell you. All right. So right now we're looking at Pump.fun right here, which is obviously a lot of you guys know. It's just a platform where you could create your own tokens and actually start rugging people and, investing in coins, whatever it is. Now, if you've been in the game for a while, you'd know Pump.fun is very user-friendly. A lot of people use it. But in my opinion, it's just not that good when we're talking about the meme coin space, because there's just far better platforms where you could actually create your own coin and you're just able to manage the money and profits way easier. Not to mention that fact that you don't need a lot of skill to actually start doing this. So the website I'm going to use for this video is a powerful site called Coinray.fun right here. So Coinray.fun, and it's going to take you to the website right here. So here it is, Coinray.fun. I've been using it for fairly a while when I started this journey in terms of actually, rugging people and, exiting the liquidity from my token. And I'm pretty much going to teach you how I do it step by step. So just a quick rundown of Coinray.fun. It does give you the opportunity to create your coin right here. You could literally put any token name, any token symbol, and just an image that's 500 by 500. That doesn't take a lot of skill. You're able to manage liquidity once you create the token. And when people buy it, you're able to exit or take away all liquidity from the token. And right here is a new feature they just added on copying coins. And this one I like the best because you are able to capitalize on anything that is trending. And if you guys know, when it comes to the meme coin space, this is a screenshot of one of my wallets. When it comes to the meme coin space, you have to be fast. You have to have speed, because if you know anything about money, speed loves money. So speed is very important. Remember that, and don't forget it. You have to have speed in this game, and this unique feature Coinray allows us to leverage helps us do that to a T. Now what I mean by that is when you go up here to, any sort of DEX, like let's say we're talking about right here. We're talking about any of these coins. Look how fast they're getting created. They're getting they're all becoming popular, super quick. And when you see one of these tokens that people are investing in, so example, like all these coins, those all had duplicates of itself that all made money because people were just copying the token that were getting super popular and people were investing in the copy of the coin because they didn't know, if it was the real one, whatever it is. So what I mean by having speed is you are going to capitalize on that opportunity when there's already a trending token. This is why I love this feature so much, because you could literally do that, all while launching our coin on Raydium, which is absolutely huge, because this is where the bigger whales are. For example, this coin right here is King of the Hill, right? So right here, this is King of the Hill. If we're able to create that coin and copy it, people are going to see our coin, and it's going to get published on the Raydium DEX. So when you go on these DEXs and you screen for Raydium only, it's going to get published right here, and people are going to have it's just going to give us a way better opportunity to actually get buyers and investors, because it's going to be on the Raydium DEX. The market cap is going to be way higher when compared to tokens on Coinray or on Pump.fun, and it's just going to give us a whole lot more opportunities to get buyers, to get investors, and for us to make more money when we cash out the actual token. So obviously this is exactly why I love this feature, because it's powerful, and I highly recommend using it. And if you aren't using it, there is obviously the, original way to actually go step by step to creating your token. I have actually done this myself a few times, just to test narratives. But when it comes to the fastest way to print with launching your own coins, using this copy token feature is the key here. Another thing to keep in mind is that while this feature alone puts you ahead of the pack, it doesn't hurt to do additional work to get more eyeballs on your coin. Now, this is strictly optional for those who want to put in a little more work on this. You don't have to do this, and I'll show you what I mean in a sec. But for those of you who do, I have told you guys, there are different ways to actually do your market research. When it comes to like Twitter, finding out what's trending on Twitter, you kind of want to copy that. Once you copy that, then you're going to send it to a bunch of Telegram groups that have over, a bunch of like people in it. Or you could literally just go up here and you could put crypto Telegram groups right here. Make sure they're groups, not channels. You just join it right here, join it, and then you just copy and paste your coin, and it's literally going to get put out to all these people right here. And I guarantee you people are going to want to buy, especially if you use, one of these things that's already trending. Or you could literally use the copy the trending coins feature, and you could say, hey yo guys, this is the next opportunity. This is a trending token. Whatever. Send the token, when it's literally your token. And then they think, oh, this. They search it up. Oh, this token is pumping. But they see it. They don't see that it's, the real one. But you put yours, you copy it, and boom. You're getting buyers just like that. So if we wanted to launch a coin here, what we have to do is just simply click Copy Trending Token. Select the coin we want to copy, click Confirm, and the coin is going to be created damn near instantly. Now, if we want to make the coin tradable, we just have to wait one quick second, and we have to create the liquidity pool. Now we have the Create Liquidity Pool section available to us. We click here. We make sure that we put 900 million tokens in, so the rest can be tradable. And here, we can put in how much SOL we want to add. I recommend starting off small, especially if you're copy and pasting tokens. You're going to get buyers no matter what. I'm actually just going to put 0.31 SOL, and we're going to click Create Pool. All we have to do is click Proceed, Confirm, Yes, Confirm. Now that the pool has been created, we're going to see our token live on Coinray. We just have to click Refresh. There we go. Our coin is now live. It really is that simple, guys. Do not overcomplicate this. There is, plenty of opportunities and money every single day for all of you guys to make money. As you can see, we started to get a little bit of buyers here. Nothing too major initially. But what I want you guys to keep in mind is that this is why Coinray is so popular. You can launch stuff directly on the Raydium DEX relatively quickly. Oh shit, we just got some more in here. Okay, because I'm recording this, I'm not too worried about getting more out of this launch. We are already up a good amount here. Damn. That was quick. I'll take that. So real quick, all you have to do to exit your position is just go ahead and select what percentage you want here. I'm just going to take out 100% of it. And there you go. I just removed the liquidity. Easy. So, yeah. As you can see, we didn't even keep this coin live for long, and I literally just cashed out with a nice little profit I can spend however I want. Fast and easy. Alright, I know this video is getting a bit long, but the whole purpose was to just show you guys about this copy feature that Coinray has implemented. I have not seen it anywhere else. I actually did try it on another platform, and it was pretty bad. Like there was no way to actually remove the liquidity from the token. And it was just really bad in terms of copying the actual token. I wanted it to be copied. And I have heard reviews of other platforms. It wasn't that good. Coinray definitely has the best one, and I highly recommend it, guys. If you guys want to actually see a little bit more in depth on how to actually create the token or coin, and then manage the liquidity pool, and how to, create the liquidity, all that, I do have other videos in my profile, in my actual library. So make sure you guys watch those videos. So if you do want to start making money with meme coins, make sure you guys watch this video. Like I said in my last video, I'm absolutely printing with this, and there's no reason why you can't be either. So with that, Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you found it helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.